We are more bacteria than we are human cells.
If you're a high-performing professional who's cleaned up your diet, tried probiotics, maybe even added fiber, and you still deal with brain fog, fatigue, bloating, or inconsistent energy, this episode is for you.
So modern life typically reduces microbial diversity.
Today, we're breaking down why basic probiotic approaches often fall short, what the gut really looks like as an ecosystem, and how microbiome science connects directly to stress, metabolism, and mental edge.
So they're not really part of the human microbiome in a big way.
If you think gut health is just about taking a supplement, you may be missing the deeper biological drivers affecting your performance.
When you stop taking it, you don't get the benefits anymore.
Today, I'm joined by Danielle Arnold, clinical nutritionist, functional medicine practitioner, and educator who works closely with healthcare providers on microbiome science and advanced gut protocols through Designs for Health.
You're kind of just throwing in probiotics, sometimes into a desert.
She trains clinicians to think beyond single-strain probiotics and into ecosystem-based strategies for complex cases.
The stress can cause gut issues, and gut issues can cause stress.
So that's a really cool example of a success story, right? Your husband was going blind and his sight came back.
It gets rid of the symptoms. It's not really